Guys, check this out. I got a nice piece of toast here, mayo, then I start piling on my smoked salmon. And I pile that up with some of these beautiful pickled onions. Okay, pickled onions go good with everything, but smoked salmon on a piece of toast, mayonnaise, oh my God, you guys have no idea. Guys, one of the best things that you can put on a sandwich is this beautiful pile of pickled onions and peppers. It's sweet, it's savory, it's sour, it's crunchy. Oh my God. Oh, wow. I wish we had taste vision. Look at this, piled high on some toast, smoked salmon, mayonnaise. Guys, listen, you can put this together in just a few minutes, and it's quite possibly one of the best things you'll ever make. Let's get right into this recipe. Oh my God. Guys, this is why I'm fat. Videos like this. All right, guys, 1.5 onions julienned, 3 cloves of garlic sliced, and a little bit of green pepper I had laying around. This is even optional. You don't really even need to do this. All right, you get your pot. I have a mixture of 2 cups of white vinegar and 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add half a cup of sugar, a spoonful of sea salt, and this is the basic mixture, but optional, you can add 5 spice powder, okay? If you wanna be better than other people and you wanna get fancy, put a little bit of this 5 spice powder. Whisk it. Okay, we're gonna bring this to a boil. All right, as soon as it comes to a boil, you add the onions, peppers, and garlic, and then I'm just gonna count 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna drain it. All right, I'm gonna put the sheet pan down. When you drain it, make sure that you save that liquid. All right, so I have all the drained vegetables, and I'm gonna spread them out on a sheet pan. And what I wanna do now is cool these off really quickly. So I'm gonna stick this sheet pan in the fridge. And the quicker you can cool it off, the crunchier they're gonna stay. So in the fridge it goes. And I'm also gonna save that pickling liquid, and I'm gonna cool that off too. Okay, and once you have everything cooled off, you can put the onions in a jar, and you take some of that pickling liquid that is now cold, and you just top it up. And there we go. We have some beautiful pickled onions with peppers, 5 spice powder. Guys, this is a flavor bomb. One of the easiest and best things that you can make in your spare time. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. I appreciate all your support for this channel. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with somebody that you think might like this video. Also, since this channel is for you, please let me know in the comments section what other videos you'd like to watch. Your feedback is very important to me. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next video.